Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man.
You say some people that video this long time, you know, when you're on the phone, you may tell us some people that catch this long time. Go easy, driver. Look, it's a baby, the amount of life you could save. The amount of life you save, so I'm a big team life. Check how much you done with it. The amount of life.
You can still man, you touch him, man.
See there? Watch out.
What are you doing? You shot him.
You shot him?
No, you not shot him.
How much life saving know something them good you are going to do you know?
Of course.
I just do something too. You saw the next one boy?
Yeah.
No, they must catch the next one.
They must catch him.
They're going to kill that. Hey, you see the bag of the pan and back things must in that.
It has been reported that the man that I see in this video on the ground right there is one of the killers of the Knutsford Express compound shooting, which would be the 6th of April 2019, of course. You see me? Now, for all who don't understand and know what that go on, a shooting take place on the Knutsford compound where one man died and one been hospitalized. You see me? It has been reported that these men did the killing on a motorcycle. You see me I say? Now, I would love to show you the clip what go on with the killing, but you know, because of certain laws of YouTube, I'm not gonna really bring that to you, and plus my channel, of course. You see me I say to you. However, that's what I just showed a while ago. You see me I say? But anyways, if you like how I bring the thing to you and keep it up to date, you can just click the subscribe button and let me know what you think. You see me I say to you by commenting down below. My name is Skilla, and this way just say a Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up. Hey my youth, you know where you watch?